Welcome to The Real Dad Show. On this episode, we're going to be doing a product review on some lightning charging cables that I bought from Amazon. I ordered them through a third-party seller called Sundix, S-U-N-D-I-X. They were $10.59. It was for a pack of 6 charging cables. And it's important to note that I was not paid or offered these products for free in exchange for this review. So let's do an unboxing and a product review. We'll plug them in and see how they work. So we got these in this morning. They came in an Amazon Prime standard envelope. I pre-cut it to make that part easier. And this is what we got. Now, if we can zoom in a little bit better. There we go. Let's open them up. That's what the bag looks like. And we'll just take one out. Looks like there's 2 there. Standard cable. Looks just like the ones from my iPhone, just a little bit thicker. It said that the transfer rate was 480 megabytes per second. So it's not too bad. Let's plug them in and see how they work. All right, I have my iPad. Let's go ahead and plug this in. See if we have any issues. Well, came right on in, and as you can see, there is the charging symbol. So they're working. Awesome. So we've got 6 whole cables. Not bad. All right, so those worked pretty good. Check the comment section below. I'll put a link to where you can find these charging cables on Amazon. And don't forget, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so that you'll know every time I post a new video. That's it for this one. Thank you. Remember, anybody can be a father, but it takes a special person to be a dad. God bless.